Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ainsley Fior with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Monday, February 23, 2009. After losses incurred on high-profile U.S. financial firms, China's $200 billion sovereign wealth fund is shifting its investment focus to natural resources, fixed income, and real estate. According to Reuters, China Investment Corp, headed by former Vice Finance Minister Liu Jiawei, has drawn criticism at home over large paper losses on its combined $8.6 billion investments in U.S. private equity giant Blackstone Group and Wall Street bank Morgan Stanley. Sovereign wealth funds have drawn close attention in recent years, in part due to worries in some capitals over foreign governments owning key assets. Staying with hedge fund news, private equity fund Carlyle Group will inject €25 million to stay in control of its buyout of IMO Car Wash. According to the Financial Times, it will be the second infusion by Carlyle in the UK company in exchange for its creditors writing off debt. Carlyle had pumped £25 million in the car wash company last year as a loan in exchange for creditors relaxing covenants. And in more hedge fund news, the Securities and Exchange Commission has sued an ex-Minnesota hedge fund manager claiming he defrauded investors of nearly $16 million. According to Fin Alternatives, the lawsuit alleges former Minneapolis resident John Lawton misled investors about the success of the fund, Paramount Partners, and overstated its balance sheet to hide losses. According to the SEC, investors had put in $10.8 million on Lawton's assertions that the fund was earning returns of 19 to 65% with only one losing year. And in other hedge fund news, Allied Capital has defaulted on its revolving credit facility, adversely affecting its liquidity. According to Reuters, it had $50 million in outstanding borrowings and around $120 million in outstanding letters of credit under the facility. A default under its revolving credit facility also comprises default under its private notes, $1 billion of which were outstanding as of February 13th. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our asset management channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.